Hello everyone. So in this video we will be discussing the mistake number three, that is overlooking technical SEO. If you have been following us, we are uploading a daily video that is about a SEO mistake, and our goal is to reach 100 SEO mistakes. In like it's also a goal to discuss 100 SEO mistakes that you need to avoid during your SEO campaigns. We have already discussed two mistakes, SEO mistakes that you need to avoid. The first one was ignoring core web vitals, which is also technical SEO as well. And then the second one was ignoring not prioritizing mobile first indexing, which also is somehow technical SEO as well. So apart from those, technical SEO includes crawl issues like crawl errors, duplicate content, broken links, etc., etc. So it's a very broad concept within the technical SEO. There are separate courses on this topic alone. So it's very difficult to cover this in this short video. My priority is to just discuss the mistake and the next steps to avoid it if you're already doing it, and then why is it important. So for more details you can obviously contact us and have a consultation with us as well. So uh, there are three pillars of SEO. One is semantic SEO, and then there is brand identity, and then there is technical SEO. So all of the SEO related works, these are covered in these three pillars. Semantic SEO, it means achieving a topical authority. This you do by creating a topical map and then covering content in detail, considering the EEAT factors as well. And then brand identity includes brand mentions, links of pages SEO and related stuff. And then obviously technical SEO, it's about issues like crawl errors, duplicate content, broken links, mobile first indexing, core web vitals, and related things. So it's a very important pillar of SEO, and we need to take care of it in your website and in your SEO journey. You need to regularly audit your website for issues, and the tools that you can use. It's There are lots of tools, some basic technical SEO tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush can also do, and then there is Moz Pro as well. Sitebulb Sitebulb also does a great job in this, and then there is on crawl as well. And then obviously the most common SEO tool used for technical SEO related stuff, it's a Screaming Frog, but it's a desktop software. So if you are a fan of desktop softwares as well, then you could use that one as well. So in a nutshell, technical SEO is a main pillar of SEO. It should not be overlooked. It's very important, and all technical SEO errors should be fixed in priority. So if you are unsure how to fix errors, and if you are unsure where how to audit and where to get your audit done, then you could contact us via our website. The links are in the description as well, and you could go to Google and search for Pearl Lemon. You would be directed to our website as well. So you could always contact us. And for more stuff like that, like this one in the previous videos, please remember to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well, so that you could get more informational content like this. Thank you.